How about I tell you about this precious gift? Come closer and listen closely. Panda, before this gift was given, the prophets of the Old Testament foretold of a Messiah, a king who will come and save us. Prophet Isaiah wrote, "For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government will be upon his shoulder. And his name will be called Wonderful, Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace." Mary was to wed Joseph and Ashai. That's the Malayalam word for carpenter. She was a virgin. She was just like any other girl. She was ordinary, doing her little duties. But little did she know, God had a much bigger plan in store for her. You see, one day the angel of the Lord appeared to Mary. Mary, who didn't know who this was and was afraid, fell on her knees, and the angel said,
"Fear not, Mary, for you have found favor with God. And behold, you will conceive and bring forth a son, and his name shall be Jesus. He will be great, and will be called the Son of the Highest. And the Lord God will give him the throne of his father David, and he will reign over the house of Jacob forever, and of his kingdom there will be no end."
But how is this possible? I can't do this. I can't be a mother yet. I'm not even married. What will everyone think? What will Joseph think?
After Gabriel met with Mary, the angel met Joseph as he slept, telling him everything was going to be A-okay. Now months had passed and the time for Mary to deliver was coming near. Caesar Augustus, who was the emperor at that time, made a new decree that everyone had to be registered in their hometown, which meant Mary and Joseph had to travel all the way to Bethlehem. It's the same.